So the volume of water that is needed to prepare 12 grams of sulfuric acid to make up a solution of the pH of 1,1. Now, lana we are dealing with H2SO4. How much? Amanzi angakanani azohlanganiswa ne-acid. I-mass ye-acid esiyisebenzisile 12 grams. H2SO4 i-pH, once wabona i-pH kuyibalo ezinje, yazi ukuthi i-concentration nayo kufanele uzoyithola. Uzobe say indaba ye-concentration is covered if you are given the pH. Indaba ye-concentration is covered. So we know that we want the volume. So mass over molar mass is equal to concentration times the volume. Mass, molar mass of sulfuric acid, then the concentration is told. Then what do we get? Sifuna the volume. So we have the volume is equal to mass over molar mass divided by concentration. That is the volume. Now, asilungisele le part leqala. Ukuze kungabi nokudideka. Ake siyithathe kanje. It's a number of moles, it's mass over molar mass. Siqale sithole lokho kuqala. Mase siyitholile, then we'll come back to getting volume. Now, in mass, it's how much? It's 12 over molar mass of sulfuric acid. I know it's 98 grams per mole. Kodwa ke asiyenze phela. Ungaphatheki kabi. Molar mass, hydrogen is 1, ababili. Sulfur is 32. Oxygen 16, about 4. 1 ababili is 2 plus 32 plus 64. So 2 plus 32 is 34. 34 plus 64 is 98. 98 grams per mole. 98 grams per mole. So what is number of moles? Is 12 divided by 98. That's 12 divided by 98. 12 divided by 98. Ntola 0.1225. So number of moles 0.1225 moles. All right. Ngiround ofile ke lapha na ngiyazi nawe uyayishaya kwi-calculator. Ngiround ofile bakwethu singabe sixabana sixatshaniswa nje ukuthi wena uround ofanga mina ngiround ofile. Ngiround ofile. So sesiyazi ukuthi number of moles it's CV. Then what is V? It's number of moles over concentration. Number of moles esitholile. Ake sitholeke i-concentration. I-concentration yosiza u-pH ukuthola i-concentration. Asibone ukuthi kanjani na. We have pH. pH is minus log the concentration of H plus aqueous. Ungakhohlwa, let me stress, the pH will always give us a concentration of H plus, not of an acid. Seyihlangene u-H plus. Muzofuneka i-acid usebenzisa leya ratio sizobona la. So what is concentration of H plus? Concentration of H plus is 10 to the power minus pH. 10 to the power minus 1,1. That is concentration of H plus aqueous. 10 to the power minus. Right, siyaku equation. Or siyaku not equation minus. Siyaku calculator. 0.0794 or 7.94 times 10 to the power 2. So concentration of H plus aqueous, it's 7.94 times 10 to the power minus 2 mole per decimeter cubed. Sitholile ke concentration ka H plus. Kodwa kumele sithole sulfuric acid ngoba we have weighed 12 grams of sulfuric acid. Asifuneke sulfuric acid. Concentration of sulfuric acid. Now, sulfuric acid being a solution in water isinikeza abo H plus ababili 2H plus nani no SO4 2 minus aqueous. There you are. Sinikeza abo H plus ababili no SO4 2 minus. U2 sinikeza 1 kade sidlala ngalento nathi sesiyayazi. Kwi concentration ka H plus aqueous si divide ngo2 ukuze sithole I concentration ka H2 SO4. Sekuzoba 7.94 times 10 to the power minus 2. Divide by 2. This is concentration of H2 SO4. Sesiyoyifaka laphana ake sibo. Divided by 2. Ngithola mina 3.97 times 10 to the power minus 2. So, the concentration ka H2SO4 is 3.97 times 10 to the power minus 2 mole per decimeter cubed. Sesizala manje. Volume, number of moles konje yini na 0.1225. Lena yini na 3.97 times 10 to the power minus 2. Number of moles mangaka ilama moles. Concentration is 3.97 times 10 to the power minus 2. So what about the volume? City 0.1225 divide by 397. 3.086 grams. 3.086 decimeter cubed. That is the volume as it told. Let us recap. To has calculated the volume of water that is needed to prepare 12 grams of sulfuric acid. Obviously, we say 12 grams of sulfuric acid, so we have a number of moles. You take 12 grams of sulfuric acid, satolugu a number of moles akona. Ilena. Molar mass, sitole sulfuric acid na. So we have a number of moles. Now, see as number of moles is concentration times the volume. So what is the volume? Number of moles over concentration. Sesi ayifuna ke manje siwatholile ama number of moles awe sulfuric acid. Sesifuna ke manje concentration yakho. Concentration sine pH. Sathola ukuthi pH sathola concentration ka H+. Sesitholile concentration ka H+. Sashaya ngale ratio si check manje ukuthi kulo H+, what is concentration of sulfuric acid? Authority concentration of sulfuric acid is 3.97 times 10 to the power minus 2. Sakwenza la sathola this answer 3.086 decimeter cubed. This is what we get kulesibalo.